Hello, Professor. My name is Tianyi Sun. I'm a Chinese master candidate from the Northeast Petroleum University, Daxing Heilongjiang, in metallurgy, petrology, and anthropology geology. At the moment, I'm a cooperative student at Cluster University of Technology, Germany. I will graduate and get my master's degree in China until June of 2017. In the last 3 years, I published 10 papers, got first standard scholarship 2 times, outstanding master candidate reward for the whole master learning, and had applied 2 patents. I would like to apply for a job as a PhD candidate in your institute. I took part in scientific research projects from 2005, when I was just a sophomore. For 3 years, I had worked and learned as a master candidate with only an undergraduate identity. Up to 2014, becoming a master candidate, I have my own research team doing projects from my supervisor. Even some PhD candidates are my team members. I have guided about 20 master students finishing their master grad thesis. 4 of them I taught from beginning to the end, one to another. I also give classes to my classmates, cite and make examination papers. Now in Cluster, I'm helping a Chinese overseas master candidate finishing her grad thesis. I just decide the name and build structure for her thesis. I also have experiences of teaching. I have taught new master candidates horizon vehicle analyzing, give courses about sedimentary physics and diogenes. I prefer teaching class. For the process of teaching gives me a chance practicing, analyzing, summarizing, and creating. Supervising or writing grad thesis also gives me a more convenient way taking part in other projects and learning fields, having a more complete view on geology. For 3 years master learning, I challenged myself finishing the same goal as PhD candidates, and I'm sure I have touched the standard for PhD graduation of NEPU, China. For 7 years of geology learning, I had taken part in many projects for Chinese National Oil Company. At first, I studied sedimentary. Now, I pay more attention to diogenes. Examined oil geology. I have also touched other parts of geology. First, in metallurgy. For many years, I have tried to build a model of all minerals by the chemical elements of the crystals. Because in my mind, the names we use for minerals are too complicated. We can create a table just like the periodic table to show crystals. Most of the minerals contain 3 chemical parts. These years, I have tried my best to build a coordinate exercise 3D to represent minerals. Second, glacier. In 2015, I had did research the formation of glacial landfall in Chengde, China, with my supervisor. We thought it because of glacier. We found quantities of sepia, and I'm very interested in this kind of erosion sedimentary model. Third, crystallology. What I used to do is study what we have on Earth and then to speculate how it formed. However, I want to choose another way, just to learn the formation process of crystal directly. Therefore, I'm very interested in it. For example, how calorie crystal forming, and why it almost only grows one single layer. Fourth, hydrology. I pay attention to hydrology because of pore fluid. Sedimentary diogenes can only tell us characteristics now and in the past, but pore fluid can give me the information of future, the variation trend of rocks. I would be very pleased if you would consider my application for potential position as a PhD candidate in your team. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. I will be pleased to answer all of your questions. Sincerely, Tianyi Sun.